Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 5th, 2021. Man, DraftKings. Yeah, you guys can see I'm keeping it real with every one of you all. This price prediction that we did in DraftKings definitely went against us. I'm going to break this down and then I'm going to tell you what I'm seeing into the market in DraftKings and why the bull case is getting stronger for this particular market. So buckle in. If today's your first time ever seeing our video, make sure you hit the like button instead of video. Also subscribe here to the channel. We want to make sure that you learn, that you're able to see, that you're able to predict prices without using pointless and useless indicators. You don't have to use technical indicators just to figure out where price is going to go. I'm going to show you all that. But first, make sure you join our team. What you're waiting for? The way that we are able to predict prices is simple and it's easy. So make sure, like I told you earlier, hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well because you don't want to miss out on any of our content that we are creating here on this medium. So now, let me talk about what happened in DraftKings, right? If you guys can recall, the last video we've done for DraftKings was on July the 18th, 2021. Go back, it's in our DraftKings playlist. We're not hiding anything from our people. We want to show you that you will get some right and you will get some predictions wrong. While everyone out there on YouTube is not showing you their losses, they're only trying to give you the good plays because they don't want to be seen as imperfect. I don't care about being imperfect. We all are imperfect in some shape, form, or fashion. I want to show you that, yeah, we will get them wrong too. And we got this one wrong. The trap won against us in this particular battle. We was expecting the price in DraftKings to drop, right? On July the 18th. That was our expectations. Now, I want you all to understand, as the market continues to trade, we need to come in every so often and reevaluate the current outcome or the current outlook. And you guys can tell from the outset, from the gate, the price in DraftKings did not drop. That was our first indication to say, hold on. Maybe the price that I was looking forward to in DraftKings of it going down, it doesn't look like it's going to happen. The market in DraftKings, instead of starting to go down, came in and held this support area right here. Okay. Just like it did back in May, right? Now, I'm not sure if I told you all that I would come in and take some of this profitability out the market in DraftKings there. I'm not sure. So like I said, go back and watch the video to see what was said and talked about during that time. But that's where the market came in and propped up price right there. So for us to see that, we should say, I pump the brakes. I might need to cut this position and move on and take the opposite trade, i.e. expect the price to go up, right? Second thing, look at this. We've already determined that the price in DraftKings was in a downtrend, right? The market could not break above this descending line and it did it there, right? So that was the second case that, hold on, the market broke the downtrend line. That was a massive indication to say, yeah, our price prediction was not right, that we might need to cut this, take the loss, minimize the loss, and move on and play the long side. This is how you're able to read the market. When you see that you're not getting what your expectations were, you need to say, cool, let me minimize this loss. It's not looking good. And let me take the other trade, right? So let me zoom in, because if you would have taken the loss right then in July, the ending of July, beginning of August, your loss would only been minimal, 16.42%, rather than it being right now, about 39%. This is how you're able to minimize those losses. Shake your hands, shake the dust off your feet, and move on to the next place. Say, yeah, I didn't like that one. That one got me. I didn't see it the way that the market actually moved. So yeah, we didn't get this right. No, we didn't. Now, let me take that away. If we were to get out on the last trade on Friday, I'd be 39.7% loss right there. That's cool. It happens, right? But now let's move on. Let's see what is the newest outlook then. Because from the title of my video, I'm telling you already that the bull case for DraftKings continues to get stronger and stronger. Now, why would I say that? First things first, already, I've told you that the market broke the downtrend. That's massive. That's the first indication that this bull case in DraftKings is getting stronger. So now, since that's the case, we are no longer in a downtrend. So I'm not going to take this line. Well, I'm going to take it now. And instead of it going down, I need to prepare ourselves to see the next area that DraftKings can get rejected, right? This is it. So as this price in DraftKings continues to inch higher and higher in price, we all need to be prepared to see the market come back down. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but come on, we got to realize that price comes down. We have to realize that the market does not always go up. We have to be prepared for the selling that occurs, right? We got to. So I want to be the one to give you that information, even though you may not want to hear it, but it is what it is. Now, this is it. $64.25 is where the restriction area is into the market for DraftKings. Got it. Cool. Appreciate that. All right. Now, I want to see something as well. I want to see, do you all think the price in DraftKings is in an upward trend? Right? Where do you think the market price in DraftKings is in an upward trend? Because it looks to me like this is it. It looks to me that this is the long-term trend into the market in DraftKings, right? We came and bounced off this ascending line twice from when it was originally created. So this is the trend right here. All right. Now, preferably, yes, we would love to come in and buy the market in DraftKings alongside this ascending line because the price is cheaper and we are still with the outlook of price going up right there. But we all the way up there around $62. So would you come in and buy the market while DraftKings is trading around $62, knowing that the overall trend of it going higher is down here around $46, $48? Check this out. Let me show you the weekly time frame in DraftKings. All right. So this is the weekly time frame. Take a look. The price last week, we saw about the same amount of volume from the previous week. But look how small the spread is. We really didn't go anywhere. What happened? Was the market selling? Was the market buying around this $60 price in DraftKings? Why would the spread be so small and the volume decent? Somebody was in the market in DraftKings, preferably buying the market, because the last 3 two-day price bars, the market was selling, but someone was buying. Was it Kathy Woods? Who in the world would be buying the price in DraftKings around $60? Right? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Who? Why would they come in and do that? Look at the market in DraftKings on the 3-day. My bad. I said 3 days. Here it is. Price in DraftKings is not going anywhere. Right? Price in DraftKings is not going anywhere. What's going on here? Think about it. What's going on? How do we end the month of August? Look at that. Very fantastic move last month. It kind of resembles that the month of September, maybe even going into October, that we can see DraftKings make all-time highs. Now, I'm probably the first one that you listen to say that DraftKings could be making all-time highs once again. Now, the all-time high already was around $75 or $74.50. That's about what? 22% away. That's doable. That's very doable in a very strong bullish market. I'm liking DraftKings. This particular play is still amped to go higher. It's just that simple. So now let me run this back to the daily. All right. Now, we got a couple of areas that we need to be prepared to take the bag though. Okay. First area I've already told you is around 64. We need to be prepared to take the bag in DraftKings around $64. All right. Just eat off a little bit, right? You don't have to take everything off the market, but let's get that 6% out of the market though, around 65. Just take a snack. Let's eat a little bit right there around 65. Now, I told you, I'm going to bring it all the way up here towards the all-time high level of about 22%. Okay. I'm going to bring this over to show you where the area of restriction is that's going to impinge the price movement momentarily for DraftKings are going up, right? Now, I'm going to continue with this play as long as the market in DraftKings is able to hold $50, okay? And that's it. Very, very wide area. So I want you all to be prepared for this. Very wide area means that the volatility can definitely play out into the market. You got to allow yourself a cushion to let your prediction work itself out. This is what I'm seeing right now into the market at DraftKings. Now, I want to know what you all see. What do you all think about DraftKings? What is your bull case into the market in DraftKings? And let me know with a comment, okay? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.